Hello students and good morning. So now I'm doing class for class 12. The topic is integration by parts, and in the last online class also we were doing the same topic, that is integration by parts. So I hope you revised all the problems that we did so far on this chapter, integration by parts. So today is the continuation class of this chapter. Same exercise 7, page number 381 from the section 5 marks section from the book Higher Mathematics for Class 12 by SN Day. So let's evaluate this integration now. This is 25 number 1. Let us integrate. That is integral of within square root 4x square minus 9 then dx. So how can you evaluate this integration? So in the previous online classes I told you about 3 standard integrals in this chapter, integration by parts. Let us revise it. So there was first standard integral in this integration by parts, that is number 1 was integration of root over x square plus a square dx. So what is the formula for this standard integral? That is x root over x square plus a square by 2 plus, right, then a square by 2 log within mod x plus, this is x plus root over x square plus a square mod sign closed plus c. So this is the first standard integral in the chapter integration by parts. I already told you about it. And I have done, and we have done the proof for this formula also. Okay. And number 2 was integration of root over, this is x square minus a square dx. So what was the formula for this integration? This is x root over x square minus a square by 2 minus a square by 2 log within mod. Within mod we have x plus root over x square minus a square mod sign closed plus c. So this is the second standard integral in integration by parts. Okay, this is the second standard integral in integration by parts, so you should know it. Okay, and the third one was integration of root over a square minus x square dx. The formula was x root over a square minus x square by 2 plus a square by 2 then sine inverse x upon a plus c. So this is the third standard integral in integration by parts. So these are the 3 standard integral you should know in integration by parts. So we have already done it. Okay, we have done its proof also. Okay, so if you don't remember, you can copy it. Now we'll do 25 number 1. So you can copy these 3 standard integrals. Okay, that is number 1 is integration of within square root x square plus a square dx is equal to x root over x square plus a square by 2 plus a square by 2 log within mod x plus root under x square plus a square plus c. And then number 2 is integration of root over x square minus a square dx is equal to x root under x square minus a square by 2 minus a square by 2 log within mod x plus root under x square minus a square mod sign closed plus c. And the last one is third standard integral is integration of root over a square minus a square dx is equal to x root under a square minus a square by 2 plus a square by 2 sine inverse x upon a plus c. So you should know these formulas. Okay, so now let's do this 25 number 1. Now let's do this question now. So now let us write here. Now you have to integrate root under 4x square minus 9 dx. So let us write here I is equal to integration of root over, this is 4x square minus 9 then dx. Now let us make it I already told you that whenever you want to convert it into standard form, you should make the coefficient of x square positive 1 or 1. That is, the coefficient of x square should be made positive 1. Okay. But in this case, we can do the method of substitution here. Integral sign within square root. Let us write it as 2x whole square. Then minus, what is 9? It is 3 whole square. Then what do we write? Dx. Now, since the coefficient of x here is 2, you cannot directly write down the standard integral form. So in this case, first of all, you should do the method of substitution. That is, let us assume z is equal to 2x. So let z is equal to 2x, right? So if you do the method of substitution, that is z is equal to x, you have to use differentiation with respect to x. That is, differentiating both the sides with respect to x. Therefore, dz by dx is equal to 2. Now cross multiply, dz is equal to 2 dx. Let us find out the value for dx here. So it is dz by 2 is equal to dx. Is that clear? So what is the value for dx in this case? 2 is taken to the left hand side. And when 2 goes to the left hand side, you should write it in the denominator. So dx is equal to dz by 2. Now what does I become? Now let us write I is equal to integration of within square root. What is 2x? It is z square minus 3 square, right? 2x is z and minus z square minus 3 square. And what is dx? It is dz by 2. So this is your dz by 2, or I is equal to, this is half integration of root over z square minus 3 square dz. Now we can use the formula here. So which standard integral in integration by parts will you use in this case? Second standard integral, that is root under x square minus a square. Instead of x there is z, and instead of a there is 3. So or I is equal to, this is half. Now within third bracket, let us use standard integral in this case. Here x is z root over x square minus a square divided by 2 minus, what is a square here? 3 square divided by 2, that is 9 by 2. Then we can write log within mod x plus root under, not x, sorry, this should be z. This z plus root over z square minus 3 square. Mod sign is closed. Then you should close third bracket plus c. Okay. Now let us multiply by half here, and you can open this bracket. I is equal to, what is z actually here? What is z? Z is 2x. So it is 2x root over, now this is 2x whole square minus 3 square is 9 divided by 2 to the 4 minus, now this is 3 square is 9 divided by, this is 2 to the 4 log within mod, what is z? 2x plus, this is root over 2x whole square minus 9, mod sign closed. Then you can write plus c. Here you can write down base also, or you don't have to write it. Okay, or you may write e, or you may or may not write e there. Okay, so let us write e there. So now, or this is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, or I is equal to x root over, how much is it? It is 4x square minus 9 whole divided by 2. Then minus, this is your 9 by 4 log within mod 2x plus root over what is 2x whole square? 4x square minus 9, mod sign closed. The base is e, then plus c. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it, so you can note it down. So let's do the next question now. So now we'll do the next question, that is 25, number 2. You have to evaluate this integration. The given question is integration of within square root x within bracket x cube plus a cube bracket close dx. So how will you do it? So you have to convert it into a standard form. This is not the standard form. It may be 1, 2 or 3, right? So let us simplify it first. Let us first write I is equal to integration of within square root x, this is x cube plus a cube, then what do you write? Dx. So you can separate the term out here. I is equal to integration of, you can separate this square root, right? That is, you can write it as root over x into root over x cube plus a cube dx. Okay, now differentiation of which function is root over x, you should know it. So in this case, if you write x to the power 3 by 2, so what is the differentiation of x to the power 3 by 2? Is it root over x? Let us check it. So its differentiation, that is dy dx of x to the power 3 by 2 will be 3 by 2 x to the power 3 by 2 minus 1. You know that. What is the differentiation of x to the power n? Nx to the power n minus 1, right? So which is equal to 3 by 2. This is x to the power half, that is 3 by 2 root over x. That means we are getting root over x. So differentiation of the function x to the power 3 by 2 with respect to x is 3 by 2 root over x. That means we are getting root over x. We can manipulate that constant 3 by 2, right? So let us write this x cube as x to the power 3 by 2 whole square, right? Or I is equal to integration of root over x into root over, now this is x, you can write it like this, x to the power 3 by 2 whole square plus a cube as it is, then we can write dx. And you know that the differentiation of x to the power 3 by 2 will be root over x, isn't it? So let us assume, let z is equal to x to the power 3 by 2. So let us differentiate both the sides with respect to x. Differentiating both the sides with respect to x. So therefore it is dz by dx is equal to 3 by 2 x to the power 3 by 2 minus 1, right? So let us simplify it further now. Let us simplify it further. In the next step, we can write or dz by dx is equal to 3 by 2 x to the power, what is it? 2 ones are 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, so this is half. You know that x to the power half is root over x, or dz by dx, or dz by dx is equal to 3 by 2 and then it is root over x. Okay, let us do cross multiplication. So dz is equal to 3 by 2 root over x dx. Okay, now let us find out the value for root over x dx. There is root over x dx. So this 3 by 2 should be taken to the left hand side. So it becomes 2 by 3 dz is equal to root over x dx. Is that clear? Next, therefore I is equal to integration of, now within square root, this is z square, this is your z square, plus we can write a cube within whole square, isn't it? How will you write it? A to the power 3 by 2 whole square into, and what's about this root over x dx? It is 2/3 dz. It is 2/3 dz. Okay, or I is equal to 2 by 3 is constant, integration of within square root, this is z square plus a to the power 3 by 2 whole square, then what do we write? Dz. Now this is your standard integral, that is instead of x there is z, instead of a there is a to the power 3 by 2. So this is the formula, integration of root over x square plus a square dx, isn't it? Instead of x there is z and instead of a there is a to the power 3 by 2. So let us use the formula now. I is equal to 2/3 within third bracket. What is the formula? X is z root over z square plus what is a whole square? A to the power 3 by 2 whole square divided by 2 plus a square by 2. What is a square by 2? A to the power 3 by 2 whole square divided by 2 log within mod. What is a within mod? X plus root over what is x square? It is z square plus a to the power 3 by 2 whole square. Mod sign is closed. The base is e, right? Then third bracket is closed. Then what do we write? Plus c. Okay. So let us simplify it further now. Or I is equal to, this is your 2 by 3 within third bracket. What is z here? Actually, what is z? Z is x to the power 3 by 2. Let us write here x to the power 3 by 2. Then within square root, what is z square? It is x to the power 3 by 2 whole square plus this is your a cube whole divided by 2 plus what is a to the power 3 by 2 whole square? That is your a cube divided by 2 log within mod. What is the value for z? X to the power 3 by 2, x to the power 3 by 2 plus root over what is z square? X to the power 3 by 2 whole square plus a cube, mod sign closed, third bracket closed, plus c. So I think you have understood it. So let us open this bracket now. Or I is equal to, let us multiply by 2 by 3. The expression within third bracket is multiplied by 2 by 3 now. So this 2 gets cancels. You will get 1/3, right? 1/3. Then x to the power 3 by 2. Then root over what is x to the power 3 by 2 whole square? This 2 will be cancelled. You will get x cube plus a cube. This is x cube plus a cube plus again 2 by 3 into a cube by 2. 2 gets cancelled. You will get a cube by 3. This is your a cube by 3, right? A cube by 3, okay? Then log within mod x to the power 3 by 2 plus within square root. What is x to the power 3 by 2 whole square? That is your x cube. That is your x cube plus a cube. That is your x cube plus this is your a cube. Mod sign closed. Then what do we write? Plus c. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. Okay. So this is quite typical type of problem, but you can do it. So you can revise it at home. Okay. Now let's do the next question now. So now we'll do the next question, that is 26. You have to evaluate this integration. The question is integration of within square root 4 minus 9x square dx. So let us convert it into standard form. Okay. So therefore I is equal to integration of within square root 4 minus 9x square dx. Okay. Or later you can write it as integration of within square root 4 minus 9x square can be written as 3x whole square. Then what do we write? Dx. And 4 can be written as 2 whole square also. Okay. 9x square is written as 3x whole square, right? So let us use the method of substitution here, because here the coefficient of x is 3. You cannot directly use the formula in this case, standard integral. Okay. So let us do the method of substitution here. Let z is equal to 3x. Let z is equal to 3x. Now you write down differentiating both the sides with respect to x. So it is dz by dx is equal to 3. Now let us do cross multiplication. Dz is equal to 3 dx or dz upon 3 is equal to dx. That is the value for dx is dz upon 3. Okay. So now let us put these values in I. So what does I become now? So therefore I is equal to integration of within square root. This 4 can be written as 2 whole square minus this 3x can be written as z square into what is dx here? dz upon 3. It is dz upon 3. So I think you have understood it. Okay. So which is constant in this case? 1 upon 3 is constant in this case. You can take it outside. Okay. So or I is equal to 1 upon 3 integration of within square root. This is 2 whole square minus z square then dz. So now this is standard integral number 3 in integration by parts. Instead of a there is 2, instead of x there is z. Here the variable is z. So let us use the formula now. What is the formula in this case? I is equal to 1/3 is there. So within third bracket use the formula. Here x is z root over what is a whole square. This is 2 whole square minus z square divided by 2 plus a square by 2. What is a square by 2? 2 whole square by 2. Then sine inverse x by a, that is z by 2, third bracket closed, plus c. Is that clear? So now we can multiply by 1/3. That is 1/3 into half, 1 by 6. You can put the value for z. What is z actually? 3x into 3x root over 2 whole square is 4 minus this is your 3x whole square plus. Okay. So here can cancel 2 any square will be cancelled. This is 2 by 3. It is 2 by 3 sine inverse within bracket. What is z? Z is 3x. So this will be 3x by 2. Is that clear? So that is sine inverse 3x by 2. Then what do we write? Plus c. So here 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Or I is equal to this is half x root over 4 minus this is your 9x square plus this is your 2/3. Then it is sine inverse within bracket 3x by 2 plus c. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 27. You have to evaluate this integration, that is integral of within square root x square plus x plus 1 dx. So now in this case x square is there, the term containing x is also there and constant term is there. So there is x square and x, both the terms are there. So always make the coefficient of x square positive 1 and then you have to convert this x square plus x in the form of perfect square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square or a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so let us first write here I is equal to integration of within square root x square plus x plus 1 dx. Now you have to convert into standard integral form, but there are both the terms containing x square and x, and always you make the coefficient of x square positive 1. So here the coefficient of x square is already positive 1. So since there is x square plus x is there, you have to convert it into perfect square form, that is a square plus 2ab plus b whole square. Okay, so or I is equal to integration of within square root, what is a whole square, x square plus 2 into what is a, x into what is b, it is half, plus what is b whole square, it is half whole square, right? So we are getting x square here, it is correct. 2 gets cancelled, x is also correct, but here we are getting half whole square is 1/4. Is there 1/4? No, we don't have. You have to subtract it. First you write plus 1, but since there is There is no 1/4 out there, you have to subtract it. So minus, you write 1 upon 4, or you write here dx, or I is equal to integration of within square root a square plus 2ab plus b whole square is x plus half whole square plus, now this is plus 1 minus 1/4, 4 ones are 4, minus 1 is, this is your 3 upon 4, then what do you write? Dx, okay? Or I is equal to integration of within square root, this is x plus half whole square plus, this 3/4 should be written in terms of whole square, that is root 3 upon 2 whole square, then what do we write? Dx, okay? Here what is x? X is x plus half, and what is a? Root 3/2. This is standard form number 1 in integration by parts. So let us use the formula now. Therefore I is equal to, what is x in this case? X plus half. What is a here? Root 3/2. Okay, so let us use the formula number 1, that is standard integral number 1 in integration by parts. So what is x here? It is x plus half, then within square root, what is x square? X plus half whole square plus, what is a whole square? Root 3/2 whole square, right? Root 3/2 whole square whole divided by 2 plus what is a whole square by 2? It is root 3/2 whole square, a square by 2, then log within mod, here the base is z, within mod, what is x? X plus half, x plus half plus, then next root under x square plus a square again, plus root over, what is x square? X plus half whole square plus, what is a whole square? It is root 3/2 whole square, mod sign closed, then what do we write? Plus c, because we have finished integration out here, okay? So let us simplify these first two terms now. Or I is equal, what's the LCM here? 2, this is 2x plus 1, so this is 2 2s are 4, 1/4 within bracket 2x plus 1, then within square root, let us simplify it, a plus b whole square, a square is x square plus, what is twice ab? 2 into x into half, 2 gets cancelled, x plus 1/4 plus root 3/2 whole square is 3/4, okay? Plus, let us simplify it, what is root over 3 whole square? That is your 3 divided by 2 square is 4, 4 2s are 8, log within mod, this is x plus half, here the base is z, plus within square root, let us simplify it, x square, a square plus twice ab is 2 into x into half, that is x plus 1/4 plus root 3/2 whole square is 3/4, 3/4, mod sign closed, plus c, okay? Now it is I is equal to 1/4 within bracket 2x plus 1 within square root x square plus x plus 1 plus, now this is 3/8 log within mod, the base is z, this is your x plus half plus root over, this is your x square plus x plus 1, mod sign closed, plus c. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it, so you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do question number 28. That is, you have to evaluate this integration. The question is integration of within square root 2ax minus x square dx. So within square root, both the terms containing x and x square is there. So you have to convert into standard integral number 1, 2 or 3 form. Before that, always make the coefficient of x square positive 1. So this is, the coefficient of x square is minus 1, so you have to make it positive first, okay? So let us write here I is equal to integration of within square root 2ax minus x square dx. So let us make the coefficient of x square positive 1 first. integration of within square root, minus is taken common, within bracket what do we get? Minus into minus plus x square, minus into plus minus 2ax, then outside square root there is dx. Now both the terms are there, x square and the term containing x. Let us convert into perfect square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b whole square, or I is equal to integration of within square root minus within second bracket, what is a whole square? X whole square minus 2 into a is x into, what should be the value for b? So that it should be 2ax, it is a, plus what is b whole square? A whole square. But we are getting x square minus 2x, they are okay, plus a square is also there, but is there a whole square? No, you should subtract it, minus a whole square second bracket close dx. Okay, or I is equal to integration of within square root minus within second bracket a square minus 2ab plus b whole square, that is x minus a whole square minus this is your a whole square second bracket close, then what do we write? Dx. Now within square root let us multiply by minus sign. Okay, so or I is equal to integration of within square root, let us write down positive term first, so minus into minus plus a whole square, this is a whole square, then minus into plus is minus, then it is x minus a whole square, then this is x minus a whole square, then what do we write? Dx. So you can compare it with standard integral number 3 in integration by parts. Instead of a there is a, instead of x there is x minus a, so this is standard integral number 3 in integration by parts. Okay, so this is very important formula. I is equal to, what is x here? X minus a, then within square root what is a square minus x whole square, that is a whole square minus x minus a whole square whole divided by 2 plus what is a square? It is a square only, a square by 2, then sine inverse within bracket what is x? X minus a divided by a bracket close plus c. Okay, so let us simplify it now. X minus a, this is, or I is equal to x minus a within square root, let us simplify it, a square minus within bracket x square minus 2xa plus a square bracket close, because this is a minus b whole square form whole divided by 2, okay, plus a square by 2, this is sine inverse x minus a by a plus c. Okay, or I is equal to x minus a, then within square root what do we write here? A square minus x square minus minus plus 2xa minus a square whole divided by 2, second term remains as it is, plus a square by 2 sine inverse x minus a by a plus c. Is that clear? So here you can cancel, a square and a square will be cancelled, or I is equal to x minus a, then within square root let us write down positive term first, 2xa minus x square whole divided by 2 plus a square by 2, this is sine inverse x minus a by a bracket closed plus c. So this is the final answer. Okay, so you can copy it, you can note it down. So let's do the next question now. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 29. You have to evaluate this integration, that is integration of within square root 4 minus 3x minus 2x square dx. So you should convert it into standard integral form. So here the coefficient of x square is minus 2. Always you have to make the coefficient of x square positive 1. I already told you about that one. Okay, so after making the coefficient of x square positive 1, you have to convert the terms containing x square and x in the form of a perfect square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, or it may be a square minus 2ab plus b whole square. Okay, so let us first write I is equal to integration of within square root, this is 4 minus 3x minus 2x square dx. Okay, or I is equal to integration of within square root. Before you convert them into perfect square form, let us make the coefficient of x square positive 1. So here minus 2 is taken common, within bracket x square minus into minus plus, this will be 3x by 2 minus into plus minus 2, then outside square root there is dx. So which term will you take outside integration? Only root 2, not minus root 2, not root over minus 2. You cannot take root over minus 2 outside because root over minus 2 is imaginary number. So let us take only root 2 outside integration. Integration of within square root, now there is minus within bracket x square plus 3x by 2 minus 2 bracket closed, then what do you write? Dx. Okay, or I is equal to, this is your root 2 integration of within square root. So let us convert into perfect square form. Within second bracket, what is a whole square? X whole square plus 2 into a is x. What should be the value for b, so that you can have 3x by 2? 2x is already there. By which term will you multiply 2x to get 3x by 2? So it should be 3 by 4 plus, what is b whole square? It is 3 by 4 whole square. So this is your x square, right? This is your 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, that is 3x by 2 is also correct. But plus 3 by 4 is whole square is 9 by 16. Is there 9 by 16? No, you should cancel it. First you write minus 2, then write minus 9 by 16. Second bracket close, then dx. Or I is equal to, this is your root 2 integration of within square root minus within second bracket, what do we write? A square plus 2ab plus b whole square. That is a plus b whole square. Then minus 2 minus 9 by 16. That is same sign, you have to add them. 16 2s are 32 plus 9 is 41. So this will be minus 41 by 16. Second bracket closed. Then outside square root we have dx here. So after square root we have dx out there. Okay, so let us multiply by minus sign here. Or I is equal to, this is your root 2 integration of within square root. Let us multiply by minus sign here. Minus into minus plus. Let us write plus 41 by 16 first. Then comes minus. Minus into plus minus. So it is x plus 3 by 4 whole square. This is x plus 3 by 4 whole square. Then outside square root there is dx. Okay, so or I is equal to, this is your root 2 integration of within square root. 41 by 16 is root over 41 divided by 4 whole square. Okay, so let us convert it into perfect square form. So 41 by 16 can be written in terms of whole square, that is root over 41 by 4 whole square minus, this is x plus 3 by 4 whole square, then dx. So now this is standard integral number 3. Instead of a there is root over 41 by 4. Instead of x there is x plus 3 by 4. So this is in the form within square root a square minus x square. Or I is equal to root 2. So within third bracket, what is x here? X plus 3 by 4 root over, what is a whole square? Root over 41 by 4 whole square minus x plus 3 by 4 whole square whole divided by 2 plus, what is a whole square? This is root over 41 by 4 whole square, a square by 2. Then what do we write? Sine inverse, that is a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. What is x by a? X plus 3 by 4. X divided by, what is a? Root over 41 by 4. Bracket closed, third bracket closed, plus c. So let us simplify it now. So or I is equal to, this is root 2 within third bracket. Let us simplify it. What's the LCM here? 4. So 4 to 8. So 4x plus 3. So this will be 4x plus 3. Whole divided by 4 to 8. Then within is square root. What is root over 41 by 4 whole square? This is 41 by 4 square is 16 minus within bracket. This is your a plus b whole square. A square is x square plus, what is twice ab? 2 into x into 3 by 4. That is 3x by 2 plus, what is b whole square? 9 by 16. Is that clear? So bracket is closed. Right? Plus, now root over 41 by 4 whole square. That is, this is 41 by 4 square is 16, but there is 2. 16 2s are 32. Right? Then sine inverse. And within bracket, what do we have here? So what's the LCM here? 4. This 4 and 4 will be cancelled. So this will be 4x plus 3 divided by root over 41. Bracket closed. Third bracket closed. Plus c. So let us simplify it again. Or I is equal to, this is multiplied by root 2 now. Root 2 4x plus 3 divided by 8. And within square root, let us simplify it. 41 by 16 minus x square minus 3x by 2 minus 9 by 16. Okay? Then plus. This second term is also multiplied by root 2. What do we get? 41 root 2 divided by 32, and it is sine inverse within bracket 4x plus 3 divided by root over 41 bracket closed plus c. So I think you have understood it. Okay. So let us simplify it further now. So let us simplify it again. So let us simplify it further. So what we will do in the next step? Let us simplify the expression within square root. Or I is equal to, this is root 2 4x plus 3 divided by 8, right? And within square root, 41 by 16 minus 9 by 16. 16 is the LCM. So 41 minus 9 will be in the numerator. What is 41 minus 9? It is 32 by 16. 32 by 16 means 2. Minus, let us write 3x by 2 first. And then minus x square. Okay? Plus. Second term remains as it is, 41 root 2 divided by 32. Then sine inverse within bracket, this is 4x plus 3 divided by root over 41 bracket close plus c. So I think you have understood it. So let us simplify the first term here. I is equal to root 2 into 4x plus 3 upon 8 within square root. What's the LCM? This is 2 is the LCM. 4 minus 3x minus 2x square plus 41 root 2 divided by 32. This is sine inverse within bracket 4x plus 3 divided by root over 41 plus c. Okay. So or I is equal to, this is your root 2 within bracket 4x plus 3 upon 8 into, now you can simplify this square root. This square root is for both numerator as well as denominator. So it is root over 4 minus 3x minus 2x square upon root 2 plus, this is 41 root 2 divided by 32 sine inverse within bracket 4x plus 3 divided by root over 41 plus c. Okay. So here you can cancel this root 2. Or, so what is the final answer here? 4x plus 3 root over 4 minus 3x minus 2x square, this whole divided by 8 plus 41 root 2 divided by 32 sine inverse, this is your 4x plus 3 divided by root over 41 bracket close plus c. So this is the final answer. So this question is very, very important. Okay. So today we did 4 or 5 problems. Okay. So you revise all the problems that we did today. So in the previous classes also we did more problems on this integration by parts. You revise all the problems in integration by parts that we have covered so far. Okay. And in the next online class we'll do more problems on this integration by parts. So this much is for today.